Hi, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'm going to show you how to erase your Apple Watch without using an iPhone. If you need to reset your watch for any reason, whether you're selling it, passing it on to someone else, or just starting fresh, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Settings app directly on your Apple Watch. Once you're in the Settings app, tap on General. This section contains all the options you need to manage and reset your device. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Reset. This is where you'll find the setting to erase all content and settings on your watch. When you tap on Erase all content and settings, your Apple Watch will prompt you to enter your passcode if you have one set up. After entering your passcode, you'll need to confirm your decision by tapping Erase All. This action will completely reset your Apple Watch to its factory settings. It's important to understand that this process will remove all your data and settings, so make sure you've backed up any important information before proceeding. If you're erasing your Apple Watch because you're planning to sell it, there are a few additional steps you should consider. First, make sure to unpair the watch from your Apple ID if that wasn't done automatically during the reset. This will help prevent any issues with activation lock for the new owner. You'll also want to remove the Apple Watch from your iCloud account. This step is crucial to ensure that the watch doesn't remain tied to your account, which could cause problems for the buyer. Lastly, don't forget to clean the watch physically. A clean, well-maintained watch can make a big difference in its appeal and value when selling it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide helped you successfully erase your Apple Watch. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips. See you later.